Most of us go about our daily lives, unaware that something may be quietly sabotaging our health from within. Parasites, microscopic freeloaders, and worms can take up residence in the human body. Without us even knowing it, these unwanted guests can thrive for months or even years, feeding on the nutrients in our system and releasing toxins that slowly deteriorate our health. Although many people associate parasites with developing countries or unsanitary conditions, the truth is much more alarming. They're far more common in the United States than we realize. If you've been dealing with chronic fatigue, digestive issues, mysterious skin rashes, or sudden, unexplained weight loss, you could be hosting parasites without knowing it. But don't panic, there's a way out that doesn't involve harsh pharmaceuticals or invasive procedures. This comprehensive guide will walk you through a powerful yet gentle 7-day natural parasite cleanse using wormwood tea, a centuries-old herbal remedy celebrated for its effectiveness in removing parasites, improving digestion, and revitalizing your body from the inside out. Understanding the hidden world of parasites. What are parasites? A parasite is any organism that lives off another organism, known as the host for survival. In the case of humans, parasites such as roundworms, tapeworms, hookworms, and protozoa invade the digestive system, muscles, organs, or even the bloodstream, stealing nutrients and leaving behind toxic waste. Some are microscopic, while others can grow to several feet in length. How common are parasitic infections in the U.S.? Contrary to popular belief, parasitic infections are not limited to rural or underdeveloped regions. In fact, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) estimates that millions of Americans are affected by parasitic infections annually, many of them without knowing it. These infections often go undiagnosed or are mistaken for more common ailments, like irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), chronic fatigue syndrome, or food intolerances. Recognizing the warning signs is your body sending SOS signals. Because parasites can mimic so many other conditions, it's essential to be on the lookout for persistent or puzzling symptoms, especially when no clear cause has been identified. Below are some of the most common signs of a parasitic infection: unexplained digestive issues, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, gas or stomach cramps, chronic fatigue, feeling drained even after a full night's sleep, unintentional weight loss, losing weight despite maintaining your usual eating habits. Skin problems, rashes, eczema, hives or unexplained itching, nutrient deficiencies, low iron levels, vitamin B12 deficiency or general malabsorption, mood swings and irritability. Parasites can interfere with neurotransmitter production, increased appetite or sugar cravings. Parasites feed on sugar, which may increase cravings. Grinding teeth at night, especially common in children and associated with pinworm infections. If you're experiencing several of these symptoms without a clear explanation, it's worth exploring a detox or cleansing protocol, especially one that targets parasites specifically. Why natural solutions often work best while there are pharmaceutical drugs that target specific parasites. They often come with side effects such as nausea, liver strain, and allergic reactions. These medications are also designed to target certain species and may not be effective against a broader range of parasites. Moreover, many people prefer a more holistic approach that supports the body's natural ability to detoxify and heal. That's where herbal remedies come in. Plants like wormwood, clove, black walnut, and garlic have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to eliminate parasites. These herbs work not only by killing adult parasites, but also by interfering with their reproductive cycles. Wormwood, nature's parasite fighter. What is wormwood? Wormwood, known scientifically as Artemisia absinthium, is a bitter herb native to Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. It's been used for millennia in folk medicine for everything from digestive complaints to expelling intestinal worms. Its name comes from its traditional use in eliminating worms or intestinal parasites. How does wormwood work? The active compounds in wormwood, particularly artemisinin and thujone, have been shown to possess antiparasitic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Thujone in small doses stimulates the nervous system and digestive tract. promoting bile production and helping eliminate waste. Artemisinin has demonstrated effectiveness against malaria-causing parasites and other protozoans. Wormwood disrupts the parasite's metabolism and nervous system, essentially starving and paralyzing them so that they can be flushed out of the body naturally. How to prepare and use wormwood tea for parasite removal. Making wormwood tea is simple and cost-effective, and it only requires 2 ingredients: dried wormwood and water. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of dried wormwood leaves, 1 quart of filtered water, approximately 4 cups. Instructions: bring the quart of water to a gentle boil in a stainless steel or glass pot. Add the wormwood leaves and reduce the heat to low. Simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes. Do not overboil, as excessive heat can destroy some of the beneficial compounds. Remove from heat and allow it to steep for an additional 10 minutes. Strain the tea using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the plant material. Pour into a glass jar or container and allow to cool before drinking. The tea will have a distinctly bitter taste. This is a sign of its potency. Dosage: how to follow the 7-day wormwood protocol to effectively eliminate parasites. Consistency and timing are essential. Here's how to structure your 7-day cleanse. Week 1. The initial cleanse: drink 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed wormwood tea daily for 7 consecutive days. Ideally, drink 1 cup before each main meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Stay hydrated with at least 64 ounces, about 8 cups of water daily to help flush toxins. Consume high-fiber foods such as leafy greens, chia seeds, flax seeds, and whole grains to encourage bowel movements and assist in parasite elimination. Week 2 to 4. The rest and reboot phase: take a 21-day break from wormwood tea. This gives any remaining parasite eggs time to hatch. Maintain a clean diet rich in antiparasitic foods. More on this below. Keep your immune system strong with sufficient sleep, hydration, and light exercise. Week 5. The second cleanse: repeat the same 7-day wormwood tea protocol as in week 1. This cycle helps target newly hatched parasites, ensuring a more thorough cleanse. This cyclic strategy ensures that parasites are eliminated in various stages of their life cycle. Important precautions before starting. While wormwood is a powerful herbal ally, it should be used with care and awareness. Not safe for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Wormwood can stimulate uterine contractions and pass through breast milk, posing risks to infants. Avoid if you have epilepsy or a seizure disorder. Thojone may lower the seizure threshold. Not recommended for long-term use. High doses or prolonged use can be toxic to the liver or kidneys. Always consult your healthcare provider, especially if you're taking prescription medications, have liver issues, or are managing chronic health conditions. Enhancing the cleanse. Additional foods and herbs that support detoxification to amplify the effects of your wormwood cleanse. Consider incorporating these natural allies known for their antiparasitic and detoxifying properties. 1. Garlic. Raw garlic contains allicin and aegin, compounds with proven antiparasitic properties. Eating 1 to 2 raw cloves per day, crushed and allowed to sit for 10 minutes before eating, can help target parasites and bacteria alike. 2. Coconut oil. This oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs), especially lauric acid and caprylic acid, which possess antifungal and antiparasitic effects. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons daily in smoothies or cooking. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with cucurbitacin, a compound known to paralyze worms and make them easier to expel. Eat a 1/4 cup daily raw and unsalted for best results. 4. Clove. Kills parasite eggs and larvae. You can brew clove tea or add ground clove powder 1/2 teaspoon per day to smoothies or oatmeal. 5. Papaya seeds. Raw papaya seeds contain carpane, an enzyme that fights parasites. Dry and grind the seeds and take 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily, mixed with honey or juice. Other detox strategies to consider: supporting your liver, kidneys, and digestive tract during a parasite cleanse is essential for minimizing side effects and optimizing results. Consider the following: drink warm lemon water every morning to stimulate digestion. Take probiotics to restore gut flora balance after the cleanse. Consider magnesium citrate or natural laxatives if constipation occurs during the detox. Beyond Parasites, the additional health benefits of wormwood. Wormwood's benefits extend well beyond parasite elimination. Improved digestion, stimulates bile and digestive enzyme production. Liver support, enhances detoxification pathways. Anti-inflammatory effects, may relieve joint or muscle discomfort. Appetite stimulation, helpful for those recovering from chronic illness. Mood enhancement, bitter herbs like wormwood may subtly improve mood by supporting liver function. And neurotransmitter balance. Final thoughts, reclaiming your health. Natural modern lifestyles marked by processed foods, high sugar intake, and environmental toxins create a perfect breeding ground for parasites. Reclaiming your health starts with awareness and proactive care. Using wormwood tea in a structured 7-day protocol offers a safe, natural, and time-tested way to cleanse your body of these unwanted invaders. When paired with supportive foods and herbs, this holistic approach can help restore your vitality, clarity, and overall well-being. As always, listen to your body. Take the necessary precautions and consult with a trusted healthcare provider before beginning any new health protocol. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal sometimes. It just needs a little support from nature.